Welcome everyone to today's program, where we will delve into the process of pig farming in the United States. From large commercial farms to the high-quality pork products we consume daily, the U.S. pig farming industry not only makes a significant contribution to the national economy, but also meets both domestic and international consumer demands by producing safe and nutritious pork for the community. Commercial pig farms are mainly located in the Midwestern states of the U.S., including Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, Illinois, and South Dakota. These areas are renowned for their favorable natural conditions for livestock rearing and food production. Such farms specialize in breeding sows to produce healthy piglets that are then sent to market and processed into pork products to satisfy global consumer demand. At these farms, the pork production process begins at the breeding stage. Sows are carefully nurtured and monitored to ensure that piglets are born healthy. Animal care specialists track the health of the sows and support them throughout their pregnancy. This not only guarantees the well-being of the mother pigs, but also lays the foundation for the sustainable growth of the entire herd. Each step is carried out with dedicated attention to providing high-quality products to consumers. The pig farming process at commercial facilities starts right from breeding. Here, sows, mother pigs, and gilts, female pigs yet to reproduce, are central to the breeding process to ensure robust piglet development. Both sows and gilts are artificially inseminated, a modern method widely used in the pig farming industry. Artificial insemination, AI, is an efficient technique that ensures high pregnancy rates and excellent breeding quality. Farms use semen from healthy boars, which is collected and stored in dedicated facilities called boar studs. This semen is then used to inseminate sows and gilts by animal care experts possessing specialized skills to guarantee the quality of each insemination. Once gestation ends, the sow is moved to the farrowing pen, where she gives birth to healthy piglets. The care process for the piglets begins immediately. Staff prepare clean pens and ensure sanitary conditions, and all necessary tools and equipment are ready for the newborns. As soon as the piglets are born, they begin nursing from their sow. The first milk produced after birth, known as colostrum, is a crucial nutritional source that boosts the piglets' immune systems. Rich in natural antibodies, this milk protects the piglets from diseases during their early life. Ensuring an adequate intake of colostrum is essential for their healthy development. The animal care staff also continuously monitor the sow's health throughout the nursing process. This not only helps maintain the sow's condition so she can continue to care for the piglets, but also ensures that the newborns receive a strong, healthy start in life. Adequate nutrition for the sow is essential to sustain her health and to produce high-quality milk. After about 21 days, the piglets are weaned from the sow and transferred to another farm within the Christensen farm system, where they are cared for in conditions tailored to their developmental stage. In the nurseries, the piglets receive a specialized diet to support the transition from mother's milk to a nutrient-rich, dry feed. Each piglet is closely monitored to ensure they develop on schedule, attaining optimal weight and health. Animal care experts use advanced methods to control temperature and humidity in the pens, keeping the piglets comfortable and safe. One of the key factors in this care process is maintaining a clean and safe living environment. The farms are equipped with modern climate control systems that help sustain the ideal temperature and humidity for the pig's development. Additionally, strict sanitation measures are implemented to prevent the spread of diseases. When the piglets reach a weight of about 50 to 60 pounds, they are moved to finishing pens, where they continue to grow until they reach the market-required weight. This process ensures that the piglets have sufficient space and proper conditions to develop healthily and strongly before being sent to market. Healthcare for pigs is a critical aspect of the farming process. Just like humans, pigs can fall ill and need prompt treatment to preserve their health. Therefore, on every pig farm, animal care specialists work closely with veterinarians to ensure that all pigs remain healthy and develop normally. When a pig shows signs of illness, the care team immediately assesses its condition and determines the appropriate treatment plan, which may include antibiotics or other interventions based on the pig's state. All treatment decisions are made in consultation with veterinarians to ensure that the pig is treated safely and effectively. Furthermore, each farm has rigorous biosecurity procedures to minimize the risk of disease spread from external sources. These measures include thorough cleaning of the pens, the wearing of protective clothing when entering the facility, and strict control over access. Each farm is also equipped with specialized climate control and ventilation systems to maintain an ideal living environment for the pigs. When the pigs reach the standard market weight of around 285 pounds, approximately 129 kilograms, they are prepared for transport to processing facilities. The transportation of pigs from the farm to meat processing plants is a crucial step in the food supply chain, ensuring not only the safety of the pigs, but also the quality of the final product. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the pigs are placed in resting pens where they can relax and hydrate, allowing them to recover from the long journey. This resting phase is vital, as the pigs need time to recuperate before proceeding to the next stages of processing. Processing facilities then verify the pig's health to ensure they are completely sound before the slaughtering process begins. The transportation and resting processes are critical not only for maintaining meat product quality, but also for adhering to ethical regulations in the livestock industry. Meat processing companies, including Triumph Foods and STF, are committed to operating under strict standards that safeguard the rights and welfare of the animals. After the pigs are rendered unconscious, they are slaughtered and then moved to the subsequent processing stages. Skilled workers then begin the butchering process, dividing the carcass into parts such as bacon, ham, ribs, and other cuts. This process is meticulous and requires high technical skill to ensure that each piece is handled correctly and according to customer requirements. One of the important subsequent steps is the inspection by the USDA Food Safety and Inspection Service, FSIS. Inspectors examine the internal organs and other parts of the pig's body to ensure that no signs of disease are present and that all food safety standards are met. Following inspection, the meat products enter a rapid cooling system to lower their temperature and preserve freshness. Next, the meat is moved to processing areas where it is cut and packaged into products such as bacon, pork belly, ribs, or processed items like sausages and cold cuts. Once these products are finalized, they are packaged and readied for distribution to retailers or consumers, both domestically and internationally. Connectivity in the food supply chain is a crucial factor in ensuring that every pork product, from the farm to the consumer's table, meets high quality and safety standards. In the Christensen farm supply chain model, every step, from pig farming to processing and product distribution, is carried out with care and efficiency. This not only assures product quality, but also enhances the sustainability and effectiveness of the entire production system. It is this seamless integration that allows the food supply chain to function smoothly, delivering high-quality pork products to consumers while ensuring sustainability and long-term development for both the livestock farming and food processing industries. The pig farming and pork processing process at Christensen Farms and their partners is an exemplary model of how the modern food industry operates efficiently, sustainably, and safely. Investments in technology, modern farming methods, and rigorous quality control systems have enabled Christensen Farms and their supply chain partners to achieve high standards in production and animal welfare protection. Each step in the process contributes to ensuring that pigs are raised and processed responsibly while delivering top-quality pork products to consumers. Thank you all for watching today's program. We hope that this information has given you a deeper understanding of the pig farming and pork processing process, as well as the importance of maintaining a safe and efficient food supply chain.